run a shorter conversation using this list of questions that are very important to understand how we use this. But let me ask you this kind of question. Do you see the questions here?
Sorry, I don't hear you.
Do you see the questions here? Do you see the questions?
Where, on Skype?
No, on Zoom. I am sharing the screen with you.
Ah, yeah. Present questions.
Okay.
Continent, continuous.
Present continuous. Continuous. Are you reading a good book at the moment, Abu Zaid?
Are you reading a good book at the moment?
Are you reading a good book? That's a question you need to answer.
Ah, okay. Yes, actually.
What are you reading?
I reading شلون اقول لك اياها مفاتيح الجنان.
I am reading. So I am reading.
I am reading مفاتيح الجنان book. It has some prayer.
I think it's called The Keys of Heaven. What other books do you read that are related to English? Do you have any books in English that you're reading at the moment?
Yes, I am reading a book for English slang.
Why do you read for slang?
I want speak some native speakers.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What are you having for dinner tonight?
I am having chicken and salt.
Salt?
Yeah.
Salt? ملح?
Salt. لا, salt.
Salad.
Salad.
Okay. Sounds good.
Yeah.
What are you looking forward to? What are you looking forward to? Looking forward to يعني تطلع إلى أنه تسوي. What are you looking forward to? تلاحظ أنه هاي الأسئلة غالبيتها حتى جاوب I am looking forward to. I am eating something like salad. I am reading. So it just helps you conceptualize or practice or as we say in English, contextualize. تربطها في context أو في حدث إلى علاقة بيك. What are you looking forward to?
هسه أنا عفوا أبو نوفل. هسه من خلال الصور افتهمت إنه الشيء اللي دي يصير هسه الحدث.
Yes.
الفعل نضيف له ING يعني باعتبار إنه الأكشن هسه دي يصير.
Perfect.
بس هسه بالمستقبل ليش داعي أضيف ING مثلا؟ هسه أنا دخلت ويا هاي.
هذا مو مستقبل. يعني أنا من دا أسألك looking now حاليا شنو اللي أنت
يعني قصدك ما زال أنا مستمر إنه
هو الفكرة حالة الحدث أثناء فترة الحديث ما له علاقة بالمستقبل. يعني أنا أقدر أقول لك what are you working on tomorrow. فمن قلت لك tomorrow أنت ما راح تجاوبني على شنو اللي راح تسوي عليه هسه راح تشتغل لأن كلمة tomorrow عليه ما ندل على المستقبل. فهذا الفعل looking forward بدلالة على المستقبل بس هو يستخدم أثناء فترة الحديث.
تمام.
What are you looking forward to? شنو اللي أنت تطمح تسوي؟ راح تجاوبني I am looking forward to.
I am looking forward to buy big house for my family.
Wow, that's a noble goal. What is a friend of yours probably doing at the moment? أبو زيد أنا زعلان عليك لأنه تجاوبني إجابات قصيرة. يعني ممنوع منعا باتا يجاوبني إجابات قصيرة لأن هسه أنا دا أسحب الكلام من عندك سحب. أنا أريدك تأخذ المبادرة وتتحدث أكثر. يعني من تقول لي I am looking forward to buy a house خلي أجاوبك. I'm looking forward to get my PhD. I'm getting my PhD because this is a big goal for me in my life. I've been working so hard over the past 3 years, diligently trying to get this PhD. In addition to this, I am planning actually to travel to Turkey and USA. There are 3 conferences there that I want to attend and take a tour in Maldives and Hawaii and save some money to my travel and reach out to more students to be able to learn English better. ست فهمت أنا تقريبا 90% افتراضا يعني تحدثت فيه.
اي نعم اي
بس
نعم.
الفكرة وين؟ الفكرة I want you to give me more details, please.
Okay.
Next question. What is a friend of yours probably doing at the moment? احكي لي عن شنو واحد من أصدقائك دا يسوي هسه. افتراضا أنت تعرف ايش دا يسوي.
I have a friend from Iraq in Baghdad. His name it's Burak. Burak every day break the curfew after the dinner.
Okay.
Yeah, he is going to his shop and open the shop and working from 10 p.m. to 1 a.m. every day. So yeah, so he knows هو عرف أصدقائه. شلون أقولها؟
شنو تقصد عرف أصدقائه؟
يعني هو عود أو عرف أصدقائه بهذا الوقت هو متواجد دائما.
Oh, he notified them that he is available at this time. He made them aware. يعني خلاهم. He made them aware.
And this time he is open him shop.
He is opening his shop.
His shop, sorry.
Okay, هذا نقطة لأنه لازم نتحدث عن ضمائر الفاعل والمفعول به وضمائر التملك. هسه خليت ملاحظة هنا حتى نناقشها بالدرس القادم. اوكي.
أنا أشوف بالصور استجابتي أكثر.
الصور هي مو كل شيء في الحياة. احنا عندنا نصوص وعندنا أسئلة لازم نجاوبها وبها تحديات أكثر. بس هي الفكرة أنه تستخدم النص للوصف. فالصورة هي مجرد يعني the opening, the starting point. But you need to be able to read and respond to this list of questions. What projects are you working on at home or at work right now?
Right now, I'm working my orders. When I finish from my orders, I work in. I am reading some stories about English about English language. Yeah, I won't find many words to keep. Every day I keep in 10 words.
memory ذاكرة مالت التليفون نعتبرها memory. memorize يعني
memorize
بس مو keep. memorize مو keep.
أريد أحفظ. يوميا أريد أحفظ.
يعني تذكر جاي من الذاكرة. memorize.
Okay.
Now what is happening in the news at the moment? What is happening in the news at the moment?
Happening in the news at the moment.
At the moment.
يعني بهاي اللحظة.
Yes.
I don't hear in the news.
You don't watch news?
Yeah, I don't watch news.
Why do you not watch news?
The news always just bad news. We hear just bad news. Yeah.
Okay. Now, where are you going after the class? Where are you going after this class?
I will go in out.
I will. هنا هسه احنا بتتذكر من قلت لك هسه قبل شويه بالتدريب.
I will be.
I will be going. حتى تفهمها.
I will be going. Yes. هو أنا وأنا دا أحكي هذا أريد أتذكر شنو الكلمة الأولى.
ليش؟ لأنه ما نقدر نقول I am. ما أقدر أقول I am will be going. يا أما I will be going or I go to some place. But I will be going is better.
Yeah, I will be going to outside. I want walking with my friends.
What are you wearing today?
Sure, I'm wearing a t-shirt and short.
How are your English classes going? شلون بدها تمشي بالclasses مالت الإنجليزي? How are your English classes going?
I think I'm going well with Mr. Walid.
Why are you learning English as a businessman?
The English language it's very important. I think if I want to develop my work in the future, should be learning English every time.
Every day. Okay, I think it's so much better to negotiate تتفاوض ويا Chinese in English because it's much better when you go run some business with them. هذا كان موضوع درسنا هذا اليوم يعني لأنه كان كنت ماخذ عليه ملاحظات فحبيت أضيف لك يعني نوع من الفكرة شنو المضارع المستمر اللي خابصين به بس هو هذا يعني أنه أنت تتحدث على شيء هسه دا يصير مو شيء يعني دائما روتينيا تسويه على مدار اليوم لكن شيء هسه دا يصير يعني من أقول لك why are you learning English أنا دا أتحدث وياك أنه أنت ليش دا تتدرب وياي هسه أنت قلت لي أنه أنا أحتاجه بعملي من أقول لك what are you wearing today you are going to tell me that you're wearing a shirt you're wearing jeans or you're wearing any kind of jumpsuit or whatever you're wearing or sweatshirt anything like that I'm talking to you about the moment of conversation فهذا هو كان الفكرة من هذا الزمن وإحنا ليش نستخدمه باللغة الإنجليزية تمام راح ارسل لك ملف تدريب عليه اريد تكمل يا عمود لقائنا القادم ان شاء الله نقدر نستثمره حتى اتاكد انه انت يعني قفلت هذا الموضوع بحيث صار عندك امكانيه بانه تتحدث وفهم ان شاء الله التوبيك هذا بالتحديد. Are you good?
On the Skype?
Yeah, I'll send you the file on Skype so you can have an access to it.
I'm feeling good with you.
That's comforting. Thank you so much, Habibi. Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, great. Well, I wish you a happy night, inshallah, and blessed Eid. Soon we will stay in touch, inshallah, so we have another class.
Thank you so much.
You're more than welcome, my dear. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.